Hi, K1. Yesterday you listened to a story called Make Way for Ducklings. In that story, Mrs. Mallard laid eggs and her ducklings hatched or came out from those eggs. Let's find out a little more about animals that lay eggs. Yesterday we read the book Make Way for Ducklings. Mother Duck laid eggs in a nest. What do you notice from our illustration? Those are great observations. How did Mrs. Mallard care for her eggs? That's right. Mrs. Mallard first found a space for her eggs that was safe from foxes and turtles, so her eggs would not get eaten. And then she sat on top of her eggs, keeping them warm and safe, and only getting up to get a drink of water. Mrs. Mallard's ducklings hatched from the eggs. Ducks are oviparous animals. Oviparous is a big science word. Can you say it? Say oviparous. Nice job. Oviparous means an animal that lays eggs. Some animals are like humans and give birth to babies. These kind of animals are called mammals. What do you notice about these animals? These are three pictures of mammals: a monkey, a dog, and an elephant. Those are good ideas. What do you notice about the monkey? It looks like the monkey is nursing. The mom is feeding the monkey milk. Mammals feed their young, their babies, they feed them milk. I'm also noticing that these animals are pretty furry and hairy. Oftentimes, mammals have fur covering their bodies. A lot of animals do not give birth to babies. Instead, they lay eggs in nests, and the babies grow inside those eggs. These animals are called oviparous. Look at all these different types of oviparous animals. Which animals do you see here? I see those animals too. Did you know that butterflies are oviparous? We learned last week that a butterfly lays eggs, and from those eggs, larvae or caterpillars are born. Because that butterflies lay eggs, they are also oviparous animals. We also see penguins, frogs, and emus. Oviparous animals lay eggs in nests. They take special care of the eggs, keeping them warm and safe from predators while their babies grow inside. When the babies are big enough, they hatch or come out from the eggs. What kind of animal do you think laid the speckled eggs in that nest? That's a good idea. Why do you think that? Smart thinking. Now it's your turn to be a scientist. With the help of a grown up, do some research online about oviparous animals. Draw a picture of an animal that you find out about. What kinds of information did you find out about that animal? Take a picture of your drawing and send it to me.